Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change WhatsApp message notification tone. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly open the WhatsApp and you can see three dot on the top right corner. So click on it and then click on setting. So in setting you can see notification option. So click on it. So here you can see message, so just click on it. Notification tone, so here you can see the list of notification tone, so you can select anyone according to you. So after selecting, go back, so you can see the notification tone is changed. So guys, in this way you can change notification tone on the WhatsApp. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.